Yo, what's up guys? I'm doing a GoPro little vlog kind of thing right now. I just want to see how it turns out on the GoPro. I've never done a vlog on the GoPro, so here we are. This is a wide view. I don't know if I want to go super wide because it might make me look really weird. I don't know if it's making me look really weird right now or not. But yeah. Oh my god, we got a creeper behind us. There's a van behind us back there. He's fucking creeping on us. Jesus, boys. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to do like a, I don't know, just a little what's up vlog with the GoPro, just see how it turns out, see how it goes. Also, bro, I don't know about you guys, but my car has been, it's crazy, man. The car has been it's changed colors. All right, it is no longer frozen dark gray metallic. It is now green / yellow, the amazing color of pollen. It's fucking crazy. So I don't know about you guys, but that's been my whole experience since the trees have started to come all over the place, ejaculate, if you will, all over the world. I'm gonna close. This is the van. That was it, bro. That was the creepy van that was parked right there. He might have just been chilling, honestly. I'm just very paranoid of individuals. I rolled up my window. I don't know, because you know, he might have saw me like filming, and he was probably like, you know how people can get, man. They get really upset that people are filming, and then he tries to like spit on me or something. So I rolled the windows up. Anyway, let me show you the pollen. So these wheels are always fucking dirty from brake dust, but I don't know if you can see this. I'm in the middle of the fucking woods, man. That's what I'm saying. I could literally be murdered out here and nobody would know. I don't know. Would they ever find the footage? You know what I mean? It's a GoPro. I can fit you guys anywhere. Oh my god, you steamed up. All right. That's the you know, that's the gist of the pollination. Let's do some. I got this new thing I want to try out, because right now I'm getting a chest mount, which apparently might be better for you guys to like see instead of the head mount that I had before. I don't know, but I want to try that thing. I want to put it on my dashboard, and I'm gonna see how it goes. So let's get into that. So it's not gonna work. I'm dumb, but yeah. So there's like these drawings on the road. Whoops. Breaking my car. There's like drawings on the trees and shit. I think it's pretty fucking sick. Check it out. Look. Drawings. I don't know, I thought it was cool. You know, we growed it up a bit. Made some tacos.